here, so let's check out the Prelude. Here it is. So I will talk to the main mechanic that's in charge of the car, and he will explain to us like what kind of things that we are going to work on today. So basically we are going to remove the entire engine today. We're going to do the disassemble today. So make sure you watch the entire process till the end. So first we took out the engine oil. Now we're gonna take out the gear oil as well. Next, we are taking out the drive shaft.
From this part, they will attach with the anti-roll bar. The bottom one with the lower arm, the control arm, we call that the control arm.
Right, so now we're gonna remove the anti-roll bar link.
Yep.
Basically, we have to hold the center and then remove the top and bottom screw. It is situated right here. So now we're gonna take out this part. Okay, so just how the Sifu told us something like if you want to take out, you want to use air gun, right? It's better to air gun the nut part, because if you air gun this part, it will damage the whole thing.
Use the air gun, the impact gun. You can do like that. It out. So it's very, right tension is very high. So move it out a little bit. Alright. Now you can see the drive shaft here. Try to be, some of cars will be jammed because it's too long, doesn't remove, so will be stuck. So your one is a very lucky case. So easy to remove. So when you remove, alright. This one side. Now we need to remove the drive shaft, so I need to jack up the car. This is considered is loose. It's not healthy. So the bearing is getting loose.
So what are we going to do now is we want to remove all the parts that is attached between the engine and the body. So once that's done, we can take out the engine all at one shot. This is where we are at right now. We have removed most of the parts that are attached to the body and engine. So you can see like the pipes, electrical wires, everything, you know, like all this has been detached so that we can remove the engine. So far these are the things that we have removed. We have removed the front bonnet so that we can remove the engine smoothly, remove the front part of the exhaust. We have removed the drive shaft, some certain parts of the car as well. Yeah, so this is where we are right now, getting ready to take out the engine later. So we will hook this jack and the engine, then we're gonna take out the engine later. Next step is to disassemble the parts, replace whatever needs to be replaced, make it new again, make it good to go again, safe again, and then we're gonna put it back to the car. What do you guys think of this episode of Project Prelude? Do you guys like video like this? If you do, I have a good news for you. I'll work from the inside to the outside, and I will document each and every of the process and share with you guys. It has took us about one whole day just to get the engine out like this. I feel very grateful because I get the chance to work with them together on the car, on my dream car. So I think it's a very, I would say it's a once in a lifetime experience, and I'm enjoying every moment of it. So once again, thank you to CNN Autofinder to make this possible for me. It's truly a dream come true to work with mechanics that are super experienced. They know exactly what they are doing in each step, and they are guiding me through and letting me participate in the process. So I'm truly grateful for that. So if you guys is around like Honda Indah area, Ambang or Cheras area, and if you guys are looking for a reliable workshop, come check it out. And maybe if you are here and I'm here too, we can say hi, take a picture. I can even give you a free sticker. Alright, so if you are here, maybe you DM me and let me know. So yeah, comment on this video one thing that you guys learned from this Project Prelude episode, and I'll make sure to reply to each and every one of your comments. So yeah, thank you for watching this episode of Project Prelude. In the upcoming episode, we will dismantle the engine, take out the parts that we don't need, replace the parts. Whichever parts that we can still use, we'll refurbish, clean it, and use it again. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel, leave a like and comment what is the one thing that you learned from this video. And make sure you follow our Instagram and TikTok and Facebook in order to get the latest update. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Project Prelude.